Sorry.
We are good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Time to mellow, boys.
Oh, that's why we have marshmallows to get mellowed out.
We're gonna become Martians.
What? What is up? My name is Killen, and we got a special guest today.
Hi, I'm Brandon.
This is Brandon.
I'm Brandon. I was just walking around Walmart, and he looked at me, and we looked at each other, and it was
Walmart.
It happened.
That's a pretty big Walmart.
It was pretty special. We were just like.
Yeah, he grabbed the same macaroni
Yeah.
salad I was going for, and we just touched hands.
We agreed on double stuffed Oreos.
Double stuff. I'm going for the thins.
You get the thins? I just get the normals usually. I was joking about double stuff.
We have a bunch of marshmallows today, and I just went ham on buying different ones. So
This guy buys marshmallow. I can't get over that.
I get a cigarette.
Those are some nice meals.
Amazon. I searched far and wide for Walmart.
Far and wide?
I went to like 5 different
all
Walmarts.
the Walmarts. Every Walmart.
This is how we met. We were looking for the marshmallows.
We agreed on marshmallows, and we're like, those are some dang good marshmallows. And you're like, oh yeah. Long one? Vegan marshmallows? The gross ones? That is a bag of marshmallows. Dude, how many kinds of marshmallows do we make? I was a dealer for these mellows.
Oh, Ricky. What is that?
Mellows!
Mellows!
These are Oreos!
Freaking Oreo again.
Oreos?
Mint
No,
chocolate chip.
They're not Oreos, it's false advertising.
Cookie dough.
Cookie dough?
Toasted vanilla. Strawberries and cream. Vegan.
No, you can't just
Normal
gloss over.
strawberry.
You can't just gloss over vegan. You gotta like hold it up.
What, you want your avocados too?
Oh, no, here, let me do it for you. Vegan?
What?
Oh my!
These are old man peeps.
Oh man!
Old man cake peeps. Get it! Now hack it! Keep hacking! Hit it! Keep going! Hit it!
No, they're.
Keep going!
Oh!
Keep hitting it! Keep take another hit! Take a hit!
I don't know how I like that smell. It smells really weird. Smell it. Give it a whiff.
Ooh! It's like a. Oh my! Look at him!
It smells like an old man.
Bad.
It smells weird. I
It
don't know.
looks so sad though. Look at that little beard. They're just all crusty. And just...
Kill me!
No! Is that you, Jimmy, on the other side? They put me on the other side. Please, are you? No!
I'll put you out of your misery, brother.
Oh! What was that sound?
And then he just died.
No!
All of his.
Those peeps remember Nom.
Why? I can't see your face.
I don't know what I am anymore. It's like you know the song "One" from Metallica.
It's Morse code. For what? SOS. Help.
Landmine, that's digging my sight, digging my speech, digging my hearing, digging my arms, digging my legs, digging my soul, let me with life in here.
It's alright.
It tastes like normal peep.
Pretty peepy if you ask me.
Pretty peep. Just we'll see if these are good.
How much were they? Do you remember?
I don't remember.
I keep the receipts. It's got like a bag like this.
I
big,
try
like
not
marshmallow
to think.
receipts.
I'm like, what are you doing, sir?
Walmart never gets concerned.
Vegan.
Then you walk out with like every kind of avocado, and they're just like,
I thought we only had one avocado.
but these are vegan avocados.
These are
What?
vegan.
What are you talking about?
Okay. Okay, we'll go with that one.
Stuffed puffs. Puff marshmallows. There's any indication there.
They're cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream.
They're filled.
They're Oreo stuffed crust. Oh, they are
Stuffed
filled.
crust. Yeah, that's what the.
Even though I used the one that grabbed it. Let me just.
The tip of the shark. Ooh. Just the tip.
Just the tip. Just so it cuts you when you're opening it.
Oh boy.
This is so
Close your
difficult.
eyes.
Oh yeah. You're in my blood circle. You better get away. Alright, this is open.
Give me your hand.
You want to do the honors? Let's do the first one. It smelled nice.
Oh, I didn't get.
How long have these been sitting there? Alright.
You don't want to know.
They're filled with something. Yeah.
Dude, go for it.
My fingers are really afraid of this. So we got
Oh my gosh.
cross section on
Holy,
these
they
bad
went
boys.
crazy on this.
Easy Russian experiment marshmallows.
Look at it.
First bite.
They kind of look like boiled eggs a little bit.
I do.
Like super unhealthy boiled egg. A shot. Yeah.
That's good. It's. I mean, it's like pure.
They're
Middle of an Oreo.
They're putting graham cracker out of business with these marshmallows.
They went heavy on the inside though. The white cream. But still,
It's good. I liked it.
muy bien.
I really want to try the vegan ones.
Go for it, dude. Let's get it. Vegan.
Vegan marshmallows? Oh, these look like... They look sad. Why would they create it? Please!
What? Ew.
You can't pull it apart because then it exposes its fakeness.
Looks like it doesn't know what it is.
What am I?
The confused marshmallow is the vegans.
It's confused identity.
Oh.
They walk up and
That's my favorite person. Oh, it's the
Sucky thing is your favorite person?
feed me the vegans.
They are low on proteins but high on fiber.
What makes a marshmallow vegan?
What makes a vegan a marshmallow?
What's a? How do you even eat a vegan? What?
I think these are vegans. Like, if you...
Why am I looking at?
Hey, you know what? Let's plug my channel by
Yeah, go for
admitting murder. My channel is Brandman Stories. He'll put it here.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
I
put it
trust
on
your
there.
editing. I didn't. I killed vegans, made them into marshmallows, and then ate cold wieners.
You're gonna be disappointed if you don't have that.
I didn't actually. I didn't actually kill vegans. Should I clarify on that? I feel like I should. The only true
You're gonna
thing
show
about
up
that.
and
The
just-
only true thing about that is I ate cold wieners. All right, let's continue.
You heard it first. Okay, do we rate these higher than those?
No,
No? Okay.
this was a vegan out of 10. But I would say that's compared to that, that's like a
What's
9.
in a marshmallow that's not vegan? That one.
Oh, it's another step. All right.
Another? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's working.
Like this guy.
These are cannibals.
The cannibal of the marshmallow.
This one even has a. He's roasting one of his brothers.
He's like, I'll burn them alive, then I eat them alive.
I'll burn.
I can't do that because then it just like makes it all weird.
Oh,
Oh, the carnage!
No!
The carnage!
Oh, he's bleeding brown! What? No!
This guy didn't poo before he died.
He didn't poo.
Ooh,
Your cross section was way better, and you were just like,
thick chocolate. Yeah, I didn't even have to use that shit. Oh,
so that'll like combine the flavors, but they are really good. I actually like these more than those.
So we're rating those higher.
Small mellow roasted vanilla.
Let's toast him. Toasted vanilla.
Ooh, my.
Cardio.
Adventure time.
Wait, these ones are already open. You can just tear these out.
No, you don't. That's against the rules.
And other Oreos, the guts are going everywhere. Oh my.
Carnage.
Oh, wait, you can see from the bottom too.
You know
It's
what?
like a Capri Sun.
Marshmallows. Alright.
It's like marshmallow guts all over.
Wonderful. Oh my gosh, they have like
That's
cinnamon.
nice camera.
I've had all of them. There's not really cross.
No, you gotta have a.
You're smart.
Okay, ready?
Your brain is powerful.
Big brain.
Yeah.
Ooh. They have the elasticity. Very chewy.
Yeah. Flavor's weird too. Cinnamon.
Ooh, it's getting to me.
It's got an aftertaste of cinnamon.
Okay, where are we rating these? I'm feeling like
Oh, I drank a piece of marshmallow.
I'm feeling below vegan. Yeah, I know. I'm not a big fan.
Yeah, you're probably right. I hate to say it, but the vegan ones were
The
better.
vegan were a little bit better.
They didn't roast it enough. They were too feel-goody at their factory.
Sad.
Popcorn.
Yeah, I was actually gonna reach for those. To be
Popcorn
honest.
marshmallows.
I never asked for this.
We didn't ask for it, but it was born.
Wait, no, I can do like Jinjitsu. I trained. And while you were buying marshmallows, I trained the art of the blade.
You were trained with the axe that was
I'm
in
not
my
gonna hit
room.
you.
Please, please hit me, please.
I realized that backswing wasn't very good. I just tore it. I didn't actually.
Good job. Good
Yeah,
job.
Jiu-Jitsu.
Woo!
Okay.
Oh my, those look very squishy.
They're very. Oh, they smell like popcorn. That's weird.
Oh my gosh. What does it smell like? Ooh, they're soft. Oh my.
We didn't know we needed it, and we still don't.
Oh. Ooh, squish is good. It's almost like a gummy bear though.
The flavor is not there. It tastes like
Getting a little
the
waft of
caramel
butter.
popcorn stuff. Caramel popcorn.
Yeah, that's the best description. Caramel
I'm gonna try
popcorn.
more.
You just get a thick cube of butter and just.
It sucked up. I was still chewing. It sucked up a piece.
What are we gonna
What are they
rate?
rating? Yeah, I think they're better than vegan.
Better than
Do you
yeah.
think so?
I feel like they might be in between.
I think they get points for almost killing me.
I'm feeling like right in between these. Do you think
so?
they're better than these?
No, I think these
Okay.
are better. These ones tried to kill me, so here.
Yeah.
Those look good. Strawberry.
Strawberries and cream.
Strawberries and cream.
The weird square ones.
Cross section. Oh, that's not.
Beautiful.
That's just.
There you go. Wow. Wait.
You're just separating the cream and the strawberry. At that moment.
Okay, let's go for it.
I can almost see the glands. Alright, okay.
Ah.
I think the whole thing.
I'm gonna fall off of these already.
Expanding. They're better than vegans.
Better vegan?
Do you think so?
Yeah.
They're way better than. Like that was
Put
pretty.
it, yeah, put them right there.
They kind of had a really like fake, like kind of flavor to them.
Fake. I don't know how to
Fake
explain
flavor.
them. But
I got a hint of beaver in that one.
I think
I
I
think it
hear
had a
stuck in my
slight
teeth.
aftertaste of clear waters and trees.
Got mint.
And it tried to kill me.
Mint.
Mint. Okay, I'm kind of biased on this one.
You don't like
I don't like mint. But I'll try it. I'll
I'm
give
gonna
it a
eat more
shot.
then.
They have some chocolate chips in there, but I didn't get any chocolate chips on this one.
Here, you want
Did
mine?
you? You got two of them. Can I have a little chocolate chip? Wow. Cheers. Oh.
Squish.
Quit choking on marshmallow. Are you biased yet?
I don't like it.
I just don't like mint.
I liked it. I really liked
I'm not a
it.
mint fan, so I've got some bias.
I would honestly put them like maybe behind the popcorn.
Wow. Better than the Oreo ones?
This is sad.
There you go. You can do it.
Oh, well, I'll do it just for you.
It's like half place because I didn't really get to choose that night because I just don't like mint. I could just be like bottom.
Throw it out the window.
Yeah.
Where do I?
Feed it to the swine.
Okay, we got one more of these weird ones. The weird squish. We got cookie dough.
Square squish.
Square squish. These ones look like cubes. Cookie dough.
Cookie dough. Smells like cookie dough.
What?
You don't like that. Wait, hold on.
These ones are basic.
I like them.
I can't taste the cookie dough.
They're definitely better than the mint ones.
Of course.
Of
course.
I'm just glad we only got two left.
I know, I'm pushing
We're dragging a
myself.
little bit. All I can say about
Higher.
this marshmallow display,
Right?
I can feel my guts are rumbling just a little bit.
I can feel
My
it.
stomach's
my
like-
mouth does not want to put any in.
My stomach's like, I don't know about that
We
anymore.
got two more. Let's get
Stop
through these.
Strawberries. Like these ones are actually, they're just real strawberries with some fluff added to them.
It's like Peeps, but with more sugar.
It smells sour a little bit.
We'll have a mix up of it. Oh yeah,
Here's
get
my
it
rumbly
out.
guts coming out.
Ooh. Oh, it's all good.
Eat it like a real strawberry. Hold the green part. And just
Oh. Oh, they got a little Sprite.
Is that chocolate?
Yeah,
so.
it's supposed to be chocolate.
Those are really good. My gut's not feeling it still, but yeah. I'm gonna go in a sugar coma.
I'm just deeply pondering the flavor.
It has a little hint of sourness of the swabbery. You did a robbery? No, I had swabbery.
Probably. We didn't even do that yet.
You get to vote on these because I voted on the chocolate chip.
I would say they're the best of these ones.
The best of the weird squishes.
Yeah, but they weren't as good as these two.
So we got the puffs, chocolate at the top, strawberries.
Ugh.
Second one, popcorn.
More marshmallows. They all look gross to me now.
They do. And then we got cookie dough, mint, wherever those landed, party cake.
Peeps are on there somewhere.
They're in their own category. We got cream, we got the vegan, and then the toasted vanilla. That was the worst. So definitely get these ones, or those ones. Those seem to do pretty good.
So.
I gotta tell the truth here.
What?
I'm not a big fan of marshmallows.
Okay,
I really
after
don't
all
like
of these, it's just not good anymore.
I've never really liked marshmallows, even when I was a kid. I was like,
Well, I saw these at the store and I thought, oh my gosh, these are gonna be so good.
I don't like floofy like treats. I don't know.
Well, we did it. We got through it.
We got through it.
We got through it.
Don't.
It was supposed to be good, but we got through it.
Just
don't.
Just buy like some M&Ms or something.
Just-
They're just way better.
Buy the big marshmallows. Well, we got through these. We recommend not buying any of these.
Just buy M&Ms.
Just go for a different candy. Just
buy carrots. Just like a whole bag of carrots. and
don't
just
put them in
eat
your eyes, though.
You can.
It doesn't work. Okay.
It hurts.
We don't. Maybe we don't. Okay. Don't do drugs.
Just
kids.
buy carrots.
Just eat carrots and yeah. Okay. Or strawberry flavoring come from. I want a beaver flavor.
I wonder if beavers come from strawberry flavoring. No, beavers come from strawberry, so that's why their butts taste like
This tastes
strawberries.
like beaver. It's a strawberry.
It would make sense if beavers ate strawberries.
But
They
they
think
don't.
about it that way. They just eat like what do they eat?
Trees.
Trees? They don't eat trees. They cut trees.
No, they cut trees.
They probably eat, I think they eat fish.
Beavers eat the bark, buds, stems, and twigs of trees.
They actually eat trees?
Maple, willow, birch,
I mean, I
black
can see,
alder,
like-
and black cherry trees.
I can see like the sap. Like, are trees nutritional?
Not for us, but for beavers.
Beavers are effed up, man. Why would they build dams then?
They got like 3 stomachs. I don't know.
Just to screw
Save
just
water?
a word?
We're bored, guys.
Just build some cool thing. Yeah.
that.
Anyways.
But yeah, thank you guys for joining us. As always, hit the like button, subscribe, any of that. Share the video if you think it's funny or whatever. And yeah, think positive, stay happy, and later.